Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Technique Unique, and today we're going to see how to freeze the rows on your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to freeze the row on your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you just need to select any cell of the row. You just need to freeze. For an example, if I just freeze the second row, if I just scrolling, the first row will be freezed and it will be keep on. So I'm just going to show with an example. For an example, just need to freeze the second row. You just need to select this row and select the row below like 3 or whatever. Just right click here. You have this option called freeze row. So just click on this. Now you can see the second row has a line here which shows it's has been freezed. If you just scroll down, you can find the first row will be freezed. For an example, if you're having any heading like date or time, you just need to see for all the rows. If I'm having 1,000 rows, so I just need to have the heading and the data. So you can just scroll down. You can see the freeze row will shows the heading. This is how it's used on the document. This is how you just freeze the row on your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Technique Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.